How to do Block Blast Glitch, 10x points tutorial. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do the Block Blast glitch that gives you 10x points. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. First of all, open the Block Blast game on your phone. Once the game opens, start any normal level like you usually do. Now what you need to do is place your blocks very slowly and avoid clearing any big lines at the start. This helps set up the glitch. Next, when your board starts filling up, leave one empty space on the side. This is important because the glitch activates when the board is almost full. Now drag a piece toward that empty space, but don't drop it yet. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. While still holding the block, quickly slide your finger away from the board, then put it back on the same piece. This forces the game to double register the move. If done correctly, the block will snap into place and you'll see the points jump. Sometimes it gives 3x, sometimes 5x, and sometimes 10x points depending on your setup. If it doesn't work the first time, don't worry, just repeat the same steps. Board nearly full, one empty slot, hold the block, slide away, snap it back. Once the glitch triggers, you'll see your score climb super fast, letting you reach high levels with almost no effort. That's all for the video.